Hey girl. Hey girl, hey. Hey girl, hey. How are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it would be fun to make some summer slimes. You know, with quarantine and this era we're in right now, I actually kind of forget what season we're in. Is it technically summer? No. I feel like I truly have lost track of time. But I'll tell you what, it is hot out there. So I thought I'd do some summer slimes for you guys. The last time I did a summer slimes video was literally like 2 years ago. I have some fun ideas for today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And without further ado, let's just get straight into it. So the very first one I want to make is a watermelon slime. I'm actually really shocked that I didn't do a watermelon slime in my last summer slime video because I feel like, you know how I really like pineapples? I feel a similar way towards watermelons. I want to do a DIY clay slime. So what I'm thinking is a jelly slime, and then on the outside we're gonna do the clay. We got some clear glue, about that much, and bam. Okay, I'm gonna start off right there with that. This stuff right here is instant snow. This makes jelly slime, this makes cloud slime, this makes icy slime, this makes a lot of different stuff. I'm gonna take this on the side. That's a lot, about this much. And that actually might be a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and add some water and I'll be right back. Feeling my snow right now, I think it could use more moisture for what I'm going for. This would actually make me a cloud slime. So we're gonna add more water and get it nice and wet. Ooh, do you guys see how this clearly looks more wet? It almost has a clear look kind of. You will need more activating because it is soaked with water. And you can see that I didn't use much. Now is the time to also add a scent if you want to. And I'm gonna activate. Like I always mention, go in with a little bit at a time and mix in between. So this is the slime activated. It's very fluffy, very full of bubbles right now. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this to the side and let it sit. This is huge right now. This is gonna be about half the size once the air bubbles rise. Let's get started on the clay part. I have some air dry clay. Just rolling it into a ball first. I'm also leaving it this color. I'm just leaving it white because I'm actually gonna paint it. That looks like a good size. I'm gonna take an 8 ounce because that's the size we're gonna end up doing. So I'm taking this. I'm just gonna punch a hole. Bam. And that will be the top of the watermelon. I'm gonna go in with different shades. I'm going in with spring green, I'm going in with real yellow, and I'm also gonna go in with a Christmas tree green. I'm gonna start off with this green right here. Let me actually Google what a watermelon looks like. You know how you just know what something looks like until you have to paint it or draw it and then you're like, what does it look like again? Here is my watermelon. Let's go straight into those clips of when it's finally ready to present. So this is the texture that I got after all. It cleared up pretty quickly. This cleared up in a day. All right, next up, I'm gonna make a beach. So if you watched my last summer slimes video a couple years ago, I did a sand slime, which was so cute. A lot of you guys loved it. Today I thought, why not take it to the next level and make a whole beach? I'm gonna start off with the sand because the sand is the one that takes the most time because it is a cloud slime. So the exact same thing that made the other watermelon jelly stuff is gonna make the cloud slime. You can make so many textures with You can make so many textures with instant snow. We have wet snow and dry snow. I like to use a mix of both because sometimes it's just too runny and you're like, okay, I need to go in with some of that dry one to absorb some of that water. I would suggest using an opaque base because when you use clear is when you start getting the jellies or the ices. You never fully get a cloud. I'm gonna add in some brown and some yellow. Okay, now I have my base. So I'm gonna add some of the wet one. And then I'm gonna go in with some of that dry. Because when it's really wet, it also starts to melt on you. And just keep kneading and kneading and kneading. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. After lots of kneading, this is what you get. We also have a lot of this cloud slime left. So what we're thinking of doing is we're probably gonna stock this on the Squishy Bunny shop. So if you have not followed my husband, Squishy Bunny, follow him on Instagram. He will be having a restock very soon. We're probably gonna go ahead and stock the beach slime. So make sure to go snatch it if you're watching this video. Now let's get into our ocean. Yeah, the water side. I have a bunch of clear slime on me right now, and I'm really excited because I think I'm just gonna color the whole thing blue. Ah, it's so pretty. Ooh. You could see a lot of bubbles in there and it's not as clear anymore. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this sit for about a day. Now that we have the clear slime set, which is the water, we're gonna combine the water and the sand. It's starting to slide down, but I still think it looks so beautiful. It kind of looks like a coral reef with all this sand underneath. It looks so good. Although it's just like going everywhere, but look how cool this looks. Okay, this third slime, I'm making a snow cone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm taking some slushy beads, I'm taking some clear slime, and I'm gonna make this nice and crunchy, like a slushy. We're just gonna add in our beads to our slime and go from there. This is how I like my slushy slimes. I'm gonna start coloring them. So I'm gonna take about, let's see, maybe this much for each color. Oh, the sounds, the sounds. These sat as well for a day, and you can see all the bubbles rose to the top. So I put little stickers on this Tupperware because I think it would look so cute as a snow cone holder. And that is it for these DIY summer slimes. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to click that like button. Also, we are going to be stocking some of these on Squishy Bunny's shop. So make sure to go to squishybunny.shop. Follow him on Instagram to see any updates if we do stock any of these. And let me know if you guys want to see a little collab with Squishy. Maybe a possibility of me collabing with his slime shop for a restock collab. I don't know. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Comment down below. Is it hot where you live? Because it is literally nearly 100 degrees here. It is so hot. It feels like summer already. I love you guys so much. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.